Mangilan-gilan na bakbakan o maputok mga
those are isolated cases, usually the blood alcohol, it's an old drug. I think we want to medicine at least. It's the result expected it, nangyari. Internally, we're trying to conflict, yung sinasabing grade, something with the mission owner capability of the government.
I think, ano mo lang yung ginamit mong term, mangilan-gilan. Ibig sabihin, yung ikumpara mo dun sa noon, that this was the prevalent thing. Ang binibilang mo, paano yung displacement, ilang taon na, ilang pamilya niya. The fact that we're using the term mangilan-gilan,